have control.
13.
So can you search the area of Manor and Day Avenue for a 1032 Frank subject?
King 2 with Paul Center.
297.
I'll let you go to front and take the lead on that so we can initiate the stop.
A-firm on that subject. It's going to be the subject. King 1, we can try to stand by.
Go for it. I've had a point now.
Okay, he's setting up to go southbound at the red light, so we'll just stand by.
Also, can you confirm the one?
I believe it's going to be a 664-187 firearm. Ramey should be in the system for those charges. I believe the firearm's still outstanding. A from 10187, several gun charges, and 186 digits.
King 1, King 2, 1020.
Ray and try to grid. Train trouble plus M3 off radio until winning. For evidence purposes, further case.
So you were covered tonight?
Notify control 2 for evidence purposes, see if they want to eliminate a determination of where we conduct a stop.
And are they going to be traffic?
Or 2 are getting ready to launch, will be off channel until finished.
10-4.
Paul Center 3, King 2, on me, line them up right now.
Okay.
King 2, we're conducting a stop. Universe will be north of on Norchester. 1022, he's pulling into the Walmart.
In the direction?
Now we're pulling in right now. It's going to be most likely a westbound stop.
The westbound stop?
Go in. He's pulling into the Walmart right now. Hey, stick your hands out the car. Turn the car off, keep your hands up. Don't run. There's a helicopter above that's watching you guys. Q2, it's a westbound stop. It's inside the parking lot. Danny's gonna get his partner right now. Hey, driver, step out. Keep your hands up. Do not run. If you run, you get bit by the dog. All right, we'll let you know what's going on. Step on out. Hands up. Hands up. Turn around. All right, walk back toward the sound of my voice. Walk back toward the sound of my voice. No. Keep coming. You're all right. You're all right. Keep coming. Keep coming. All right, side step to your right. To your, keep your hands up. All right. All right, walk back. Walk back. Keep going. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. I'm not going to What's your name? Okay. You look just like him. We'll explain it. Who else is in the car? Oh, that was you? That was your hand?
Yeah, I was telling you I was going to park in the parking lot. Why am I being handcuffed?
We'll explain to you, okay? Hey, if there's anyone else inside the car, you need to come on out. The sheriff's office with a canine. If you don't come out, you're going to get bit by the dog. Come on out.
I'm not being pulled over. I'm not even doing it.
Again, it's the sheriff's office with a canine. If you don't come out of the car, you're going to get bit by the dog. Come on out. We'll put him up. Hold on, coming around. He said his name. You want to check the trunk real quick, you guys?
Yep.
Ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
It didn't pop? Hey bro, he looks just like him. He's saying his name. We can search the car. But he looks just like that dude.
I think it's him.
He's 149.
Yeah.
It's supposedly a 245 with a... That's what he's saying his name is, but he does look like the suspect, I mean, to the T. Just check real good, see if there's a gun or anything. Alright, I checked underneath this seat and I checked the back right here. And we're good right there. You just want to toss the trunk real quick.
That ain't you.
I'm out here working. I'm trying to make money to pay my bills.
Dude, they look exactly alike.
And that doesn't look like him.
Well, cause I'm going like this.
That is not him. Look at that.
Yeah.
Y'all can call my girl. I just came from the house.
Watch your foot, brother.
Hey, so where were you going right now?
I'm door dashing.
Okay. And that's what you do for a living?
Yeah.
Okay.
Y'all can even check my
Good.
phone. I'm probably missing out on orders.
The last picture you have when you got arrested, what were those charges for? Looking at that picture, looking even at the picture I showed you,
Y'all ain't even get on my Facebook though. Get on my Facebook, man.
they're different. That's what I'm saying.
You will
we
see
looked at
me.
it, right? We looked at it. So the way you are now to the picture that I just showed you, very similar, right?
Not to me.
Oh, to you it's not, but to us it is. That's why when we saw it, like, but this is how you do it safe. Did you get hurt?
My wrist is hurting. I'm missing
Step
out
out.
on money.
Step out. We're gonna take your handcuffs off. Step out.
How y'all think
You're
this?
not. You're
how
not
y'all think
injured,
this-
man. You're not
Man,
injured.
but how y'all think this make me feel though? Like I'm supposed to be happy about this.
Absolutely not. You don't have to be, but we're doing our job. So put your hand on your
I
chest.
understand that.
Right.
And
Put
y'all
your hand on
gotta
your chest.
understand. I feel some type of way about it.
And that's fine. I mean, we understand that too. This happens a lot.
I better suck me in the cop.
What's that?
I said I better suck me in the cop because y'all gotta do this shit.
It does. But look how we're not disrespecting you no way. We brought you out nice and calm. Handcuff you, put in the seat, let us investigate.
Y'all
Hold on.
compare me to that ugly
Hold on.
man.
You're still upset over that. We're not comparing you to him. We said a picture looks like You guys look alike in the picture. That's it. That's not an insult, man. It's not.
But I mean, man, to me it is.
The thing too is you have the same beard and you're the same height, same build.
Everything. Everything.
He not built like, I be going to the gym, bro. He not built like me, bro.
I saw your workout.
You see? Yeah.
It's your fault.
Go,
All right.
go make your money, man. Sorry about that. Go make your money.
Y'all get to the man. Hey, we don't catch that man. Y'all tell him what y'all did to me. Tell him I'm looking for him too, shit.
All right, we're going on.